Burlington's annual town meeting that includes such big-ticket items as the annual town budget and the various departments' capital projects will look quite a bit different this year due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The biggest change is that it will be held on Varsity Field, and rather than beginning at 7:30, will kick off at 6 p.m. Also, the seats for members and presenters will be spaced 6 feet from each other, and rather than passing microphones, they will be in fixed locations. These measures are being undertaken to try and keep everyone safe and healthy while conducting the important work of the town's legislative body.
Yes, we've been working with the Board of Health so that, we want to make sure we do what they think is needed. We're going to be asking everyone to wear a mask when they show up. I guess, according to what I learned from the Board of Health, once everyone is seated at 6 feet away from each other, they can remove their masks. When people get up to speak at a microphone, I'm going to ask them to put their masks back on. Yes, getting the town's business done is very important, but keeping everyone safe is more important, and that will be the prime directive of this whole event.
Mr. Beyer said he is asking town meeting members to do as much research as possible before the meeting to limit the number of questions needed to make decisions. But, he added, it is important for members to be able to get all the information they need from town officials.
I certainly don't want to sidestep the ability of people to ask questions. That's the basis for the whole meeting. But if we can get some things taken care of beforehand, then we're going to try to do that. And in the aisle, we will place microphones on stands. So instead of trying to pass microphones like we typically do in town meeting, we will have people go up to the microphone, not touch anything, and just speak.
Finally, nobody knows how this is going to work out, and everyone is being asked to be patient and roll with the bumps in the road.
It's going to be different, and I'm not exactly sure how the flow will work. We're going to start with the most critical articles, obviously the operating budget and other critical spending articles. And we'll see how far we get, and we'll see how this works. If it works reasonably well, then maybe we will come back on the following Monday. If it doesn't work very well, then maybe we will get as far as we possibly can, get the critical things done, and potentially postpone the rest until the September town meeting. It is important for us to get the town's business done. But if this approach doesn't work very smoothly, then maybe we'll have to rethink it.
On video conference with Town Moderator Bill Beyer, I'm BNEWS Director Rich Hosford.